Good morning. I'm at the Edisto River at Aiken State Park, and I'm fixed to go on the canoe and kayak trail on the river. And I'm going to pan around here so you can see a little bit of my view. It's beautiful here. It's a quiet morning. The humidity is down, so it's a perfect morning to be out on the water. And I might even catch a fish because I'm bringing my rod and reel. So I hope you enjoy. The river's had a good pull on me, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to take pictures. But I am at a quiet spot and finally got a little bit of fishing in right here, right at the highway crossing.